Hey, what's up? I'm here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee for a mastermind meetup at Todd Brown's mastermind, and we have a retreat here in this really cool, sweet cabin over here. This is the view. Pretty cool. I guess I'll just stay here. But one thing that people were asking me about, or one thing that I presented when I was in Austin about quiz funnels was creating your idea that gets people to want to take your quiz. And that's the part that most people struggle with is, creating that really good idea. So I've distilled it into a couple of different types. So one of them is sort of like a personality type where it reveals, like maybe there are 5 different possibilities of types that describe someone. So like for the funnels that I run, they're like the metabolic type or your fat burner level or something like that. And there's some unique characteristics tied to that type. And basically what you're going through is a series of questions that tell you which one of those types you are. And that'll help you solve your problem or achieve your goal or whatever it is that you want. The second type is more of a number one. So it's like, what's your number one reason for not losing weight, your number one metabolic killer, your number one whatever that is. And that's just helping you understand the problem so that you can fix it. Because once you know what that number one thing is, you can achieve that problem. And the third one that came up today at the retreat actually was from my buddies Clay and Chris. They run lead gen quiz funnels, and it's more like of a qualification one. So a really good example is, are you qualified to get a house with 0 down payment? Things that show you that it's sort of like a qualification call, but in a series of quiz questions. And that would actually work really well if you're a consultant or you provide some type of service where you're trying to qualify people. And the result must be really attractive because they want to see if they're qualified, but also there's some exclusivity as well in there. So once they're told, if they're told that they are qualified, then that's really attractive to them. So those are the 3 types. I'm sure some will come up, but those should help you get your ideas going and help you come up with some really good quiz ideas so you can get more people in your funnel and get more of those conversions. I'll see you next week.